This is a true story of all our lives. It begins when nothing existed and ends when nothing remains. Our journey starts about 14 billion years ago. Look to Ursa Major. Above its central star lies GNZ 11, a tiny red galaxy whose light has traveled toward us for about 14 billion years. That sets our horizon. We can see only as far as light has had time to travel. Humans appeared in the last moments of this cosmic day. Science is our first guide. Cosmogony studies the origin of the universe. In 1964, Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson found a faint glow in every direction. We call it the cosmic microwave background, the after-echo of a dramatic expansion, the Big Bang. This raised the horizon problem. Distant regions look uniform, even though they seem too far apart to have exchanged information early on. Science is powerful, yet still growing. Humanity also kept older memories. The Enuma Elish tablets speak of creation in 7 parts, a time when all was water, a garden, a human soul, and creation by a spoken word. Sumerians wrote of Namu forming heaven and earth from the primeval waters. Egyptians spoke of Nun, the dark waters. Greeks wrote of Okeanos. Far away, Aboriginal Australians spoke of a lord of spirits who brought light and life. Taoist China described a god who separated the waters and set mountains by his command. Korea told of once joined heaven and earth. West and Central African traditions spoke of one mighty creator and water at the origin. In the Americas, the Cherokee and the peoples of Hawaii described creation in days. Finnish legends say all things were made from water. Across continents, the pattern repeats. One creator, creation from water, a span of 6 or 7 days, and a creative word. Some myths add fanciful details, which we set aside while keeping the shared core. Religious claims also differ. Some ancient Judaic sources picture a flat earth upon waters. Certain Christian interpretations placed earth at the center and compressed creation into a few thousand years, with God resting. Greek lore personified the Milky Way as spilled milk. Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism often describe an eternal universe. Observation challenges each. Time zones and satellites show Earth is not flat. Light from GNZ 11 needs billions of years. Galaxies race apart, which points to a beginning. 14 centuries ago, Islam presented the Quran, a single text that claims, no doubt. The Prophet Muhammad taught that God existed beyond time and space, and that his throne was upon water. The Quran states, the heavens and the earth were joined, then separated. Every living thing was made from water. It says, creation happened in 6 days, while also teaching that divine days are not human days, a day like 1,000 years, a day like 50,000 years. It opens by praising the maker of heavens and earth, light and darkness, and poetically swears by the night when it covers, echoing the mystery of the dark sky noted in Olbers' paradox. Science names the layers above us: troposphere with weather, stratosphere with ozone and high-flying jets, mesosphere where meteors burn, thermosphere with auroras and many satellites, then the Kármán line and space beyond. Scripture calls the sky a protected ceiling, a roof that does not fall, and returning, which fits the atmosphere's water cycle. It says the sun, moon, and stars are in the sky, and that the heavens are adorned. Astronomers even named a stellar nursery the pillars of creation. The Quran says, we built the heaven with power, and we are expanding it. It speaks of elevation, proportion, and a boundary, and challenges humans and jinn to pass beyond the regions of the heavens and the earth, warning of flames and smoke. The picture is vast expansion with an ultimate limit. Within the Quran I noted themes, design of the sky, creatures in it, provision descending from it, doors and pathways, emotions, travel of jinn and devils, places that ascend and descend, the sky's final destiny, and God swearing by the sky. The Quran also speaks of 7 heavens. Classical Islamic reports describe 7 layered skies. First sky, the sky of the earth. Traditions place Adam and Eve there. Some narrations mention an angel called Habib, half fire and half ice. Reports also mention Mujara, a living water-like barrier through which nothing passes, not even temperature. Second sky, bright like white pearls. Jesus and John the Baptist reside there. Third sky, strong like iron. Joseph is there. Some associate it with the angel of death. Fourth sky, like polished brass. Idris is there, with an angel of tears. Fifth sky, like silver. Aaron is there. Malik, custodian over hell, and angels called Zabaniya are mentioned. Sixth sky, radiant with gold and red gems. Moses is there. The lote tree of the farthest boundary has roots here and branches into the seventh. Seventh sky, a realm of light beyond human grasp. Abraham is there. What rises from below arrives here. What descends from above passes through here. Beyond the 7 skies is the throne of God, borne by mighty angels. Near it is the preserved tablet, described as made with pearls and rubies, its writing in light, recording all things by God's will. The prophet said, "The 7 skies compared to the throne are like a ring in a desert, and the throne compared to the footstool is like a ring in a desert." The scale defies our minds. Many cultures remembered a creative word. The Quran states it plainly. When we will a thing, we say be, and it is. The decisive command. Imran ibn Hussein once left the Prophet's lesson to chase a camel and later regretted it, wishing he had heard more about creation. We continue the journey with what we have, guidance from the Quran and the Prophet's teachings, and insights from science. May God bless you.